make my body go, take our bodies higher and higher.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wangoi Yvonne. Thank you so much for being here. At this very moment, my aim in making these videos is to help the small YouTubers navigate their way into starting out a new channel. So as for today, I'm going to show you how I edit my videos, and I will be using a software called Vsdc, a video editor. It's a PC software that I'm using right now, but if you also want me to show you how to use a phone's Android software application for editing your videos, just comment and I will do a video about that. But as for now, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos. So if you'd want this software, just let me know and I will send you the link to it. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. The first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to your editor. My editor is over here. This is Vsdc. It's a free version. I'll just go over there. It works like Adobe Premiere Pro. I have it too. It's here at the bottom. But I find Vsdc rather easier to use than Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me just show you how I do this. It takes time to load because it's a big software. So give it time. And this is it. I thought I had that. Okay. There's something wrong because my pro version is no longer working. But let's just use the free version. What you want to do is you want to go to new project over here. Click on that. And this comes up. You can choose to call your project anything. I'll call it Yvonne. You don't need to do this. What you need to do over here is make sure that it's for YouTube, because there's YouTube, there's Instagram, TV, Instagram. So make sure it's at YouTube, and you can choose your resolution. There's 720 HD, Full HD, Ultra HD, 4K, and Ultra HD DCI 4K. So you choose whichever you want. I will just go with Full HD, and you can choose your frame rate. I would advise you to go with 30 frames per second. That's the one I use. Or you can just use 60, but I prefer 30. Yeah, make sure your width and height is as according to your resolution, 920 by 1080. This is 920 by 1080. Yeah, and just click import content. When you click import content, click finish. So once that happens, it will just take you to your downloads, or rather it will take you to your PC. So what I want to do is I want to go here and choose my file. My file is here. This is what I will be working with, and the file is already in Full HD, but this changes once you import the file according to the resolution of the files. So if you want to boost your file, you can choose it to export it at Ultra HD, 2K, 4K, according to your preference. But as for me, I said I'll be working with 1920 by 1080, so it remains like that. And I'll just click finish. So this is it. This is what happens. This is the video that I just uploaded it. But before we do this, I should show you what I normally do. The first thing I do is I always make sure I put my intro video over here and my outro video over here. So I'll just go ahead and import my intro video. So you'll just go here, add object, just click on this, go to image, audio, video. You can see you can choose from this. I'll go with video, and I will look for my intro video. My intro video is this one, and I will click there. You can choose wherever. I choose from cursor position, where my cursor is. This is the cursor, so my video should be uploaded over there. Just click OK. It went the wrong way, but I can just, okay, doesn't want to go. What is happening? So yes, now my intro video is over here, and my video is over here, and for the end I will choose my outro video, which will be over here. So just go back, add object, video, outro, then yes, click OK, and there is my outro video. Yeah, so now I have the intro, the main video, and the outro video. We can play this and you can see. That's my video and that's my outro video. So now to the editing bit. I'll just put my cursor over there, and if you want to add filters over here, you can just use this drop down. This makes the whole parent duration from, okay, the parent duration is from here where the video starts to here where the video ends. So if I choose auto levels or auto contrast, this whole video is going to be changed. Say I choose auto contrast, see the video changes. If I remove it, just click on remove all effects and it goes back to the way it was. Auto levels, you see things change. Once you can play around with this and see what works for you. The other way to change the effects or the filters in your video is by going over here. You can choose the brightness, can choose to add the brightness. You see the video continues to be brighter and brighter. See, you see, or I can just undo it. Contrast, same thing. You see my video is becoming, yeah, or undo it. You see, so gamma, but basically this is it. This is what happens. Now for those people who don't know how I add the subscribe and the notification bell, and you'd want to know how I do this, let me just show you. What I want to do first is I want to put this down over here. I will put, okay, let me just import the object. Go back to add object to the video. This is the one that I use, the sub and notification bell. Okay, I don't want it there, I want it up here. So just put this down. I want it over here. So once you put it there, automatically this is what happens. Say I put it there and you click play. See, it's an overlay. It goes on top of your video, but we don't want that. What we want is, we want it to be transparent. So I'll just click on it. Sorry. Click on, let me put it where you can see it. There it is. So I'll just click on it, then go to video effects, click on that, then go to transparency. Okay, once you're there, you can choose background remover. We want to remove this background, so just go to background remover and choose whole parent duration, the whole of that video. So I will choose whole parent duration and click OK. Once I click OK, this comes up. It's a background remover, and okay, it's supposed to be a green screen, so that's why you have to go to the chroma key color and just click on this. Click on that, then drag it over here and drop it. So if I go back to the video, this is how it looks now. As you can see, it came, sorry, as you can see already, it's transparent, and you see there's no black, or rather green screen at the back of it. What I'm still struggling with is the color, because once I remove the background, even the color of my photo and everything disappears. But I'm going to work on that, and I will show you, if you're going through the same issue as I am, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But yeah, that's what happens when you add the video to your vlog, or rather your whole video. So what I want to do, say you've made an error and you want to undo something, just click on edit and you'll see undo. And if you want to be editing, what we've been doing it using the editor. So you click on the editor to go back to all this. There's the trimming, cutting out a fragment, there's cutting and splitting, you can split into parts. I will make another video if you want to see how I work with Vsdc, a rather detailed video. But for today, I wanted to show you how I edit my videos, and this is it. So after you're done with your video, all you need to do is just go to export project, click on web. Mine is already clicked. Make sure you click on web, not for PC, not for iPhone, Android, or DVD. It's for web because you're uploading this to YouTube. So just click at web, then you click for YouTube. Our video is for YouTube, not for Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, not for all this, but you can, according to your preference, you can choose whatever you want. Click for YouTube, and before you export, make sure that this is okay. So my input file was 1920 by 1080, but as you can see, my output file is 1280 by 720. It's not what I want. I do not want a 1280 by 720. I want a 1920 by 1080. So I can just go over here to edit profile and click on edit profile. Then I can choose what I want. I want it to be a 1920 by 1080. See, there's 1080 over here, so I can choose high quality. This is it. Or if you want yours to be 2K or 4K, there's 2K Quad HD and there's 4K Ultra HD and 4K native resolution. So I'm just using 1080, which is full HD, because I don't want my file to be really big, so I'll just use 1080. Click on that, then make sure your codec is H.264. This is what is compatible with YouTube, so just make sure it's at this. Make sure your quality over here is at 100%. Just do that. Then I'll just click on apply profile. So now, as you can see, my output file has changed from 1920, from 1280 by 720 to 1920 by 1080. So what I can do now is just export the project, and you're done. There you go. My video, or rather my work, is done. And if this video has helped you, please like and please subscribe. Please share and help me know what works for you and what doesn't work for you, and what videos you'd want me to make for you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, guys.